Ready, set, go. Okay, first, let's start with what do you think is the secret to make 5 to 6 figures, a month on campaigns? What do you think is the secret? Scaling, test. Uh, okay, the secret to 5 6 figures is simply having profitable offers. The best way to start is to find out, what offers are converting. There's no need to reinvent the wheel unless you are someone like maybe Peter Parks or those guys who have a huge amount of budget that they can blow money and no big deal. Okay, so the fastest way is for you to create a good relationship with the CPA network affiliate guy and ask always for offers. Okay, uh, that is really the secret. One of the secrets. The second is to have a good understanding of a good tracker such as CPV Lab. uh, I mean, Prosper is also good. I believe for more advanced stuff, CPV Lab is better, and be able to when you send some data to your tracker, you wanna weed out things that are taking your money. Okay, so when you say test is pretty much like, for example, I ask you a question. Let's say um, that this year we're gonna do mobile, right? We're gonna do some offers are gonna be mobile. So let's say that you are getting a lot of conversions from, let's say, the iPhone, one of the iPhone models, but then from the other models you are not getting as many conversions. What do you think you should do? Should you when you look at your data, what do you think you should do? Let's say that you have, I don't know, let's say iPhone 5 and a lot of conversion on iPhone 5, but not on iPhone 3 or 4. Exactly. So what you can do is in your network, what you do in your network is you only specify, once you see your data, which we're gonna show you, uh, you're gonna turn off the iPhone 4 or 3. You're gonna keep it on the 5, and then you can also look up, like, let's say that you're getting a lot of conversions on different states. What you can do is you can eliminate some of the states that are not giving you conversions and just focus on the states that are actually giving you conversions. Just small changes like that can really make you very very profitable. Um, so the offers that we're gonna do for you guys are gonna be, um, some are gonna be Facebook, some are gonna be mobile, some are gonna be paper call. Have you ever done paper call, guys? Paper call is really cool. Haven't you noticed sometimes when you are, it's paper call but mobile. Haven't you noticed that sometimes you are on the car and you want the phone number of something specific, so you search and you get a phone number and you click call. Have you guys ever done that before? Okay, that is called I do that a lot, and I didn't notice that that there were companies that pay you money to promote those numbers. It's pretty cool. Will you guys like to learn that this year? Not this year, this month. It's very cool. It's very profitable, and you can do, like, for example, like different lawyers, different doctors, different foreclosures, or rent to buy homes are very profitable. And some pay $200, some pay $100, some pay $70, and all the person has to do is call and stay a certain amount of time, and you get paid. That's it. And that, guys, we're gonna do it on Google AdWords. So make sure, guys, that you, when you have time, set up your Google AdWords account. Okay? Does any of you have a Google AdWords account? I mean, everybody's eligible. Just make sure you have a Google. Yeah, if you've been banned, I think you can start a new one and stop doing bad offers. Google is very powerful, and we're not gonna do bad offers. I want to keep it low key and good. So okay, so let's start with an overview of CPV Lab. Make sure you guys have your CPV Lab. By the way, this is a super VIP training, and if you don't have CPV Lab, don't worry. I will cover on another training, Prosper. But right now, I want to show it in CPV Lab. So when you open your CPV Lab, does everyone here has CPV Lab, right? Except for two, right? So one says no, two no. Okay. Okay. I mean, it's the idea is the same. Okay. So don't worry if you don't have it. Just take a look for you to see the power of CPV Lab. Just make sure that you keep things organized. This is one of testing CPV Lab that I have, and you can put groups like let's say that we're gonna do paper call, right? Paper call, right? Or if you want to break it down into niches, maybe different verticals. It's called verticals, okay? But you can do. I will do like something like paper call, something like that. Then you have different groups. Another group, maybe I want to do some mobile campaigns. Then we're gonna do some Facebook campaigns. You can organize it whatever way you think is best for you. Okay, just you start like that. You go to settings, and you do campaign groups, and then you just put some campaigns here. Okay, that easy? Easy enough so far? Good. Okay. So now we're gonna do what I want to end up tonight is with a real offer. Okay, real offer that is converting really well. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. I just want to show you the step by step how you will do it. Okay, you can do it just to start getting your feet wet if you want to. Okay. So the first thing I'm gonna do is it's gonna be a direct link campaign like that. Okay, so you're gonna add campaign like that, very simple. And you see here groups. You can select your group, whatever group you want to put your campaigns organized. Okay, let's do let's say a Facebook campaign. Okay, and then for Facebook, you don't have to do much stuff. You don't have to put pass so many things. So you're just gonna call this campaign. We're gonna call it webinar. traffic. Okay? Webinar traffic. And that's how I'm going to call it. Okay? And the cool thing about CPV Lab is it tells you a bunch of different CPA networks and stuff, or traffic sources. And it's traffic sources, and then you just select, and this one's going to be Facebook. Okay? Is that easy so far? Yes? Easy, right? Are you guys doing it with me or just watching? Are you doing it while we do it or no? Just watching? Okay. Good. So you don't have to worry about much with all this junk or anything. You really don't have to. Okay? Failure page, we're gonna do, in this case, we're just gonna do a direct redirect. Okay, direct. Okay? And failure page is in case that the page is down, like you can send them somewhere else. Okay? But in your case, don't worry about it. Okay? For this sample, this is gonna be my page, okay, my link. Okay? And I'm just gonna put it like that. Boom, that's gonna be my failure page is gonna be the same as my direct link offer, okay? So we're gonna call it what happens is you can have multiple, which we will have in certain cases, multiple landing pages that you're gonna send your offer to who can answer why do you want to have, let's say, different landing pages? Who can answer that question? To split test, yes. Because what you think might work, the user who is looking might not like it, okay? And usually happens that way. The image that you think is going to work might not work, okay? The headline that you think might work is not going to work, okay? So that's what you test. But right now, we're just going to keep it super simple. And we're going to say offer one, because we don't have multiple, and that's going to be the offer, okay? One thing you have to do is we always have to put an ID, okay? We're just going to call it one, and share. Share is, for example, let's say that you have two offers, right? You're going to have two offers. What you can do is, I want this offer to play 50% and this offer to play 50%. Okay? So that's why you have to put a share. In this case, it's going to be 100% because it's only one landing page that we're going to do. Okay? Is that clear so far? Okay, good. Then the payout, in this case, is going to be $15. Okay? So every time I get a lead, I'm going to get $15. So if you want to double your money, okay, if you want to double your money, what do you think has to be your cost to get a lead? If you want to double your money. $7.5. Yeah. So if you get to get a lead for 7.5, if you're doubling your money, let's say that you are paying $5 to get a lead, okay? How much would you put a day? As much as I can. Sure, of course, as much as you can. So, good. And to get a lead, $1 million, he said. And to get a lead usually is easier than to sell something, okay? But, okay, so just for you to know, you want to put the payout and all that stuff, okay? Another cool things that CPV Lab captures is here. Look, the computer, the mobile data, the ISP carrier, referrers, a bunch of different information that later on you will want to know. Okay, you will want to know because as we were explaining, I don't know if you guys were here. Some of you came late, a little late, a minute late. If you see a pattern of different type of computer, different stuff like that. Let's say that we're gonna be doing this one is gonna be desktop and mobile, okay? But let's say that you see a pattern that a lot of Mac users are opting in. What would you do? Okay, what would you do? You are targeting desktops, and you see that mostly of your leads come from Mac users. What would you do on your target? What would you do? Change target to Mac. Yeah, you would only target Mac because obviously, you wanna get the cheapest possible on your leads. Okay? Is this making sense, guys? Am I making it like stupid, simple, friendly or no? Good. Okay. So, and I'm not trying to insult you. I'm just trying to make it very, very stupid, friendly that anyone can understand. Okay. Good. So we're gonna save the campaign. Okay. We're gonna save that campaign, and we're going to get this link. So let's test. Oops. Okay. So I'm passing something. So you always have to test, guys, because sometimes, like on different platforms, they don't want you to pass different cookies. Like this one is breaking because of this. Okay. Good. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. What did I pass here? Okay. This. See, I'm passing this, and I appending the sub ID, and it's passing a cookie. And for this type of page, doesn't like that you pass these variables, and it breaks the page. So for CPA offers, uh, they work really well, but for certain like WordPress pages and stuff like that, it's gonna break. So be careful of that. So you have to check that. Okay. I'm gonna save. And I'm gonna copy this. Okay, so now it opens, right? Okay, so if that makes sense, that little thing, just make sure on WordPress sites or lead pages sites, if you have these things checked, it will break. Okay, so you cannot pass those things. So that's it. Okay, so this is your link. Okay, and the cool thing, guys, is right now we can even turn on. I want to turn on everything. All this. I want to pass as much as possible so I can test. Okay, so now I went here and I want to look at the stats here. Okay, let's look at the stats. Okay, so you see, I had an ad that I put the keyword bird. Okay, I'm gonna show you that in a minute, but you can see a bunch of information. You see how many clicks I got, the percentage and all those things, okay? And here, look at this. you can see the day, the hour, the browser. Okay? Browser version. This is more advanced, but I'm just giving you brand. Look at that. OS. Even at who is the internet provider? They have Wi-Fi, screen resolution. Okay? Who thinks this is important, guys? This data. This is very important information. You want to know everything. At what time? Because let's say that you see a pattern on the time of the day that you're making most of your conversions. Obviously, you're gonna do it at that time, right? That's simple. Okay? So bottom line is the basics of CPV Lab. Was this simple? Yes or no? The basics, just the basics. Was this helpful a little bit? Okay, so good. Now we understand the tracking a little bit. We're gonna be doing more advanced stuff, but right now this is a great example for you to have. Okay. So one thing, if you guys want to participate and make some money, what I need you to do is the first thing is you're gonna go to this one. This training is gonna be for Facebook. Okay. What I need you to do is to go to your ads account. Okay. Go to your ads account and go to conversion tracking. Okay? Go to conversion tracking here. So far easy? Yes or no? Okay. Then when you go to conversion tracking, go and create a pixel. Okay? A pixel. And we're gonna call it registrations. And you can call it whatever you want. Okay? Whatever you want. Registrations, and put whatever name you want that you know you're gonna find it, right? Okay? Boom. And I need you to give me this. Put it in a notepad. Put it in a notepad and give me this. Okay? That's one thing. Okay? And I also need, because we're gonna practice with CPV Lab, I also need you to go to your campaign that you created, okay? And give me this this is a tracking pixel. This is gonna help us to analyze our data on CPV Lab, okay? I need this tracking pixel and I need this conversion tracking, okay? Simple? Yes or no? So what I want to do is we're gonna have the homework is gonna be to master the tracker, okay? CPV Lab. No, I would do it for you, Sandy, on that one. I would do I will do the CPV Lab for you because you don't have CPV Lab. Okay? Good. Okay, so I need those two things. That's it. That's it that I need. Um, cool. So we have this tracking pixel that I need, and I need the conversion pixel. That's it. Okay. So cool. After that, guys, we're gonna go over a little bit about the basics of Facebook. Just the trial that I want to do, guys, with you guys is Facebook. The offers I'm gonna do for you are not gonna be Facebook. They don't have to be Facebook. Okay, I'm just trying to get you experience while I'm building those campaigns where we're finishing them up. I want you to master this because some of you didn't even have CPV Lab. Okay, so can we paste? Yes, you can do that. Yeah, you can do the pixel in Prosper as well. Yes, of course. So please let me know if you want to participate on this test for you to master CPV Lab. You don't have to. I mean, you don't have to. I just want you to master CPV Lab. Okay? I'm not forcing you. I'm just telling you. I wanna train you. I wanna make you very good. So whenever I give you the campaign, you know how to use this tracker. Good. Okay. So everybody, most of people, yes. Good. Where do you ask question? What do you mean? Just here on the chat. Good. Okay, good. So, okay, so and think about this, guys. When we are gonna be doing CPA campaigns, on different platforms, it's the same thing. You grab this. If you are doing Facebook, it's very good to use the conversion tracking pixel, and I'm gonna do some advanced stuff with you that you're gonna like later on with the tracking pixel. But if you're just doing like a CPA network and you're not doing Facebook, we're doing Google, we're doing Bing, or we're doing mobile. This is what you put in to the affiliate network. This is your pixel. This is what tells you if it converted or not. If this fires, that means the person bought or the person put a lead, and we're gonna put this on the network. This is how your tracker will tell you that you made money. It's very important. Okay, very important. So far, are we clear? Everything is clear so far. Good. Okay. Cool. Okay. So for the ones that want to get their feet wet with Facebook and you have an account, and honestly, this offer is, I mean, is not like a diet offer or dating offer where you have to be scared. Okay, it's a normal offer, like, make money offer. It's going to a webinar. I mean, I don't see it anything dangerous, but you never know with Facebook. Okay, that's something that I want to warn you. Okay, I do really bad ads on Facebook and worse than this, and nothing has happened to me. When it's diet on Facebook or dating, yeah, it's very dangerous. So be careful. Okay, just be careful. Good. So now I want you to click on Power Editor. Power Editor. Okay, Power Editor. You guys know how to use Power Editor pretty well? There's a lot of experts here. Good, good, good. Some experts, some are not. No problem. Okay, when you go to Power Editor, the first thing that you have to do when you come to Power Editor is download. Okay? You're gonna download, like in my case, I have a bunch of accounts. For this test, I'm gonna download this one. So you're gonna download the account that you want to work with. Okay? So you download. Remember, always download when you come to Power Editor. That's a rule of thumb. Okay? Rule of thumb. Okay? Is that clear? Will you download every time you go? Yes. Good, good, good. You don't download, you could lose data when you upload. So be careful, okay? So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to go to campaigns, and we're gonna call it webinar, boom, okay? And we're gonna do clicks to website, okay? Is that simple? Yes? Good. Okay. Then after you do this, okay, you're gonna go to ad sets. And you're gonna create an ad set. Okay, and you're gonna select the campaign that you just created. Okay, I'm just gonna call it similar. Dash one. Okay. Boom. But here, you're gonna do $5. Okay, $5. Okay. The trick to get Facebook cheap clicks is to do several campaigns with $5. Okay. That's one of the tricks, okay? There's a lot of other tricks that you're gonna learn with me, but that's one of the tricks. But for this one, we're just gonna do it like that. Good? So far, easy? Yes? Good. And then we're gonna go to ads. And we're gonna create an ad. We're gonna select that. And we're gonna call it similar. Okay? Just to keep everything. And what I would do is, for this example that we're gonna do, we're gonna find some images, okay? Some images for the campaign. And they're gonna be either cars or the beach or a beautiful house or something that tells people that they can achieve that, okay? They can achieve that. So let's say we're gonna do, you guys tell me, what do you think we should do? What image should we get today that tells people that you can have that? What would you like to see? Like a Mercedes or what? Like a nice a Ferrari, a Lamborghini, something like that, right? So we're gonna put Ferrari, okay? Boom. Okay? That's it. That's all you have to do so far, okay? Then you have to make sure, guys, that you have a fan page. You can use your fan page if you want, or like a business fan page, something that talks about business or whatever, okay? I have a million fan pages. I advertise a lot, but in this case, I'm just gonna choose my fan page. I want likes in my page for free, so I'm gonna choose mine. Boom. Okay. Easy. Yes, yes. Good. Okay. And remember that pixel, right? We created a pixel, right? So that's where you would go and find it. See? But it will not be verified until actually it's fired, okay? But it's unverified yet. But that's how you find a pixel. And it's very important to have a pixel, guys, because not just to know that you actually converted, but it will tell you the demographics of the person who is actually opting in. And then we can optimize the campaign, which is something we're going to go later. Okay? That's how you get a pixel. And we're only going to do this too. But remember when I told you guys that if we have CPV Lab, we have this advantage. So look at this, okay? You see how cool this is? Because we can enter device that we want based on the information that we get on CPV Lab, okay? And a lot of people that don't know how to make big money don't pay attention to this. And this is super important, okay? Is it making sense so far where we're getting with this? Is it helpful? Good. Okay, so, but in this case, we're gonna do all, okay? We're not gonna discriminate anyone yet because we don't have data yet, so we don't know, but later we can discriminate, okay? Then, we're going to go to audience, okay? And I don't want India. Not that I have anything with India, it's just we're gonna go to the big bucks. We're gonna go get the big dollars, right? The big dollars. Okay, let me see. A good demographic, guys, and the good thing is we don't have to guess very much to get leads here. Good demographic, guys, would be just for you to know on make money. This is good. You can use this demographic for other opportunities to make money, which will be United States, obviously. We're gonna do Australia. We're gonna do New Zealand. We're gonna do United Kingdom. We're gonna do Sweden. And we're gonna do Canada. Okay? What age do you guys think will convert best? Can someone guess? $35 to $60. Okay? 35 to 60. You can do 30 to 62, okay? But 35 to 60, guys, if you want to do make money offers and stuff like that, these countries, 35 to 60, Make sure they speak English. Okay. And for interest, some people do it broad, but we're not going to do it broad. I want to give you the interest, okay? But they're going to be viral video. They're going to be small business. Because we want people that are in small business groups. We're gonna do a Business Week, which is a magazine. Business Week. That stupid precise interest thing is messing up my Power Editor. We're gonna do Mashable. Well, you get the point, right? You get the point, right? I'm gonna give you all this, okay? You have to plug in all these ones, okay? Mashable, JavaScript, Java, Harvard Business Review, e-commerce, Fortune Magazine, Entrepreneur Magazine, marketing. Let's do a little marketing here. The thing is, if I don't put all of them, it's not going. So far, with this interest, let's see how many people do we have. We have 26 million potential people. Okay. Another one. Okay. What show do you think is a show that the people that like to make money watch? Shark Tank. Yeah, that's a good one. Shark Tank. Oh, Shark Tank. So let's see how many we have now. We got 26 million. But it's a big enough, group. You're gonna get millions of people. Okay. Let's see this. This is actually this is not American dollars. Okay. This is I'm in an account from India, and this is rupees. How much is in dollars? This. I don't even know what the rupees are, but anyone here will know rupees? Okay, so it's like 50 cents, right? 50 cents. But as I keep adding more of this, it's gonna go down, okay? It's gonna go down. It's like 30 cents. It goes like to 30 cents. But if we optimize it very well, it should be very cheap. It should be very, very cheap to get clicks. Okay? So far easy, guys, to create an ad on Facebook. Yes? Good. Okay, so now, guys, the creative, we're gonna create new, okay? Create new unpublished post, okay? We're gonna do an unpublished post, okay? So this URL, guys, this URL is the URL that we get here from our CPV Lab, okay? And make sure, guys, that where it says edit here for CPV Lab, you put, and this is how you track Facebook on CPV Lab. You will put something like, like that, maybe the image name, like Ferrari or whatever, right? Ferrari You can even put some keywords if you want, just something that if you want a reference for this specific ad, okay? So that's it for the link. Then for this, guys, we're not gonna use the same, obviously, right? We're gonna try to change it a little bit. But this is kind of like an ad, discover how this restaurant waiter made whatever with no product, no list, and no marketing experience using this simple process. Okay, this is what you will put in the text in the text. Okay, call to action, nothing. You're not gonna put anything. In the link headline, you will put. But we're gonna research, and it's also good, guys, that you start. What I do a lot is I pay attention of ads on Facebook, and every time I see a good ad, oh, my screen resolution, your screen is not updating me. Let's see. Do you see it? Do you see my screen, guys, or no? You don't see my screen anymore? No? Screen's frozen, huh? Oh, okay. What I think the fix is I'm gonna change presenter and then I'm gonna bring it back to me, okay? So let's make presenter Marco. Let's make Marco presenter, okay? But don't get excited, Marco. Okay, good. So now I'm gonna make myself back the presenter, okay? Okay, can you see my screen now, guys? Yeah, okay. So the URL, we're gonna put the URL like that, and then at the end in CPV Lab where it says add equal, at default says edit, you're gonna put here the name, maybe the the type of image that you have for you to reference that. Okay? Is that easy? Yeah, good. For the text, we're gonna do like this is a good text, but I will change it because if too many people are doing the same, it just is Facebook doesn't like that. Okay, for the headline, we're gonna use that. The display link. This is just an example, guys. Display link. You can use it, but I will change it a little bit. Okay. For the description, we're gonna do this. Okay, and for the image, we're gonna go. I hope we don't lose it. Let's find what cars. Do you see Google Images right now? Okay. So what car did we say we want? Ferrari, right? Boom. Which one would you pick? Let's see, I don't know. Well, let's try this. No, this is too small. Hmm. That's why you have to research well. Find something cool. Maybe Ferrari with hot chick. Do you think we'll get banned if we do this? No. Well, it really doesn't matter. I was just gonna show you how to. We're gonna do a nice Ferrari, okay? Just gonna do a nice car. Ooh, let's see. Yeah, that one. No, that one doesn't show much. I don't know, just this one, whatever. So we're gonna go and we're just gonna save it. Ferrari. And then here we're gonna select an image. And we're gonna create post. Boom. So you see that? You like that ad? How does that ad look like? That's a nice picture, man. Boom. Yep. So that's it. So if you lost me on what do you guys lost me on the audience? So on the audience, guys, all you do here, as I said, you're gonna do Australia, Canada, New Zealand, which I'm gonna give you the targets, okay? And 3560, and then here in the interest, you're gonna put this interest that I start plugging in here, okay? But here, I'm gonna give you this document that has all the interest, okay? You're just gonna put this interest, the same, change a little bit this, I will change a little bit, okay? Don't use the same, and that's it. That's it. Once you're done, guys, once we're done, okay? When you see, okay, these look cool, I like this, you pick a good image, obviously, different images, that'll be good, and then you upload changes. Boom. That's it. Any questions? Cost per click. Let's go back here. Just cost per click, okay? Always you do a little more than the recommended. This is not dollars, okay? This is other currency, okay? You just do a little more than suggested, and you should be fine. Yeah, so that the first thing is to get the ad approved. Once you get the ad approved, I'm gonna tell you what to do next. Let's see. Normally Facebook. Yes. I'm gonna send you. I'm gonna send you that. But the first thing I need you to do, guys, is I'm gonna send you these. If you want to make some money, I'm gonna send you this document. Okay, which has all the information. But I need you to don't run the ad yet. Okay, don't run the ad yet until I tell you. I need you to give me this. To give me this pixel and to give me the conversion pixel, okay? And I will tell you when to run it. But first, this needs to be, I have to submit this. Cool. Any other questions? And if you don't want to do Facebook, don't worry, because in a couple days I'm gonna give you another offer outside Facebook that we're gonna do together. I just wanted to make sure that the offer that we do, you can start messing with your analytics and everything. So when I give you the offers that the done for you offer, you already know how to use your tracker and you know how to track it. Okay? What offer is that you are running on Facebook? What do you mean in general? Oh, this one. This one is an off. It's just a webinar. These guys are doing a webinar and they're like selling stuff, and all they need. This one is Spire, but there's another one coming, and all they need is leads. You give them leads, they pay $15. That's simple, and it will be a great way for you to start playing with your CPV Lab and stuff like that. So I thought about it. Instead of making you wait, I give you something where you can start making money. I was just being nice. Cool. How do you run this without CPV Lab? You at least need to have, I would say, Prosper installed. Okay? I will highly suggest you that you get Prosper installed. Unless you are Sandy. Okay, if you have Prosper installed, we have trainings on the PPV Academy that we use Prosper a lot. Have you watched any of the trainings? I can help you. I can help you on if you have Prosper and you need help with, I can do another training in the next couple days, and we can create the campaign in Prosper if you want. Okay. Cool. Do you guys learn something today or not? And in the next couple of days, guys, if you want to participate, let me know if you want to do it. I have some live paper call offers that we can start getting your feet wet if you want. This is just extra because, like I said, the offers that I'm giving you, they take a little time, as I said in the beginning. And in the meantime, I want you to start making some money and really learning good stuff. So cool. Okay, good. But this one, like I said, I need you to get your link created. I'm gonna give you that document. I'm gonna send it to you after this call. Plus, I'm gonna have the call. I'm gonna upload it so you can review it if you want later. I need you to, if you want to do this and start making some money, I need you to give me. Remember, you have to give me the pixel, and you have to give me the conversion pixel from Facebook. Okay? Those are the other two things. Yes, Dave. Correct, but you don't have to don't do the Facebook ad yet, okay? Because the offer is inactive for another 2 or 3 days because the webinar just finished, okay? But we're getting it ready, and you will create the ad in the next couple days, okay? But I need you to already create the link, give me this code, and give me a conversion pixel. Okay, so we have it ready. I'm paying you. Yes. Where do we send the info you requested? Yes, via Facebook. If you can create a little text file or something, send me the information on Facebook. Do we just log into CPV Lab and this stuff is there, or do we need to download a new version? All this stuff should be there. Yeah. Any other questions? Does it look like an easy offer or no? It's converting really well, guys. It's converting really well, and I mean it'll be a great way to get your training going with at least with CPV Lab. I'm more concerned about CPV Lab, that you know how to manage CPV Lab and everything. Yeah, you need to create the offer in order to get the pixel. If you don't create the offer, just put anything. It doesn't matter, even if we change this later, we can change it. But if you don't create all this, how I did it, you won't be able to give me this. Okay? For the Facebook, conversion, you don't have to create an ad. You can create just a conversion pixel. And obviously I want you to practice like I did, of how to create the ad and everything. You don't have to publish it yet. Okay? Just create the ad. You can even create the ad, guys, and pause it. Okay? And pause it. As soon as you upload it and it gets approved, pause it until it's ready. You can do that too. Make sense? Good. Okay. Enough. You guys need to be with your family. This was, can you go to your CPV Lab homepage? Like when I log in? Like that? I'm single, someone said. Yeah, I'm gonna send you the video, yeah. Craig, yours doesn't look like this? I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say, guys. Craig, send me the login and I will check it out, okay? Just send it to me on Facebook pretty quick. Because he hasn't created any offers? I guess. Okay, send me the stuff and I will send you this video pretty quick, and I will send you the little text file, okay? And remember, guys, that text file, that demographic, you can use it for any offers. And this strategy is gonna be very good, guys. You can apply this strategy for pretty much any offer that you have, okay? It's gonna help you generate cheap clicks on Facebook. Okay, and you're gonna enjoy it. Just the only issue that people have on Facebook is that they they try to do verticals that are hard. I try not to mess with bad verticals, such as dating and porn and stuff like that, because they shut down my account in the past. So, but if you do good stuff, I mean, you're gonna crush it on Facebook, really. Cool. Okay, guys, I'm gonna record this pretty quick. If you have any questions, you can ask me on Facebook. Okay, cool. Do you guys find a lot of value? Good, good, good. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Let's take action and let's get our feet wet on traffic, and it'll be fun. It'll be fun. Okay, take care, guys. Bye bye.